Hello, ayan, naghanap kami ng makainan. Sabi nila, you have to try
One more.
the local food. Sabi nila, you have to eat where locals eat. So, here we are.
Thank you.
Ăn này chấm chút không?
Sa ano lang, sa street.
Chấm ở đây ngon.
Yan. So, meron siya. Let me show you. In order namin. Parang special, ano daw, special noodles. Actually, hindi ko alam kung anong pangalan. Kasi we were looking for pho originally. Dito kami napadpad. Yan. So, ayun, nasa kalsada tayo. Try natin to. Flavorful. Hello, good evening. So we're here at the front of St. Joseph's Cathedral. Bale, there are so many coffee shops around here, and we tried this one coffee shop and we ordered tea, something like dried cinnamon, and ewan ko yung mga halo-halo niya. So, ayun. Okay naman siya. Masarap. So, we're here na sa ating hinahanap kanina na kainan. It's Bun Chak Ketre. Ayan. So, good thing maaga tayo. Kakabukas pa lang nila. So, wala pang customers actually. I think we're the first customers. So, come let us try. Is it open now? Open? Okay. So, yan. Naamoy ko na yung aroma ng pagkain. Actually, this is a Michelin Guide restaurant. So, it is a must try. Nakita lang namin siya sa sa YouTube or sa TikTok. So guys, here are our orders na. We have buncha. I think this is seafood rolls, nem haisan, and we have buncha. Okay, ang buncha kasi is parang barbecue nila. Barbecue na nilalagay sa noodle soup. So let us try. Let's dig in and try our food. Okay, so try natin. First is yung soup ng buncha. Ba yung lasa? Masarap. Paano kumain nito? Ligyan ng noodles. So, yung noodles, lagay natin dito sa may buncha soup. Then, lagay tayo ng dami silang binibigay dito na leaves na ganito. Mga, ano na to? Herbs. What particular herbs? May mga mint, may mga cilantro. Stop. Ganang sih. Makan. Makan. Terus nanya. Masih belum ngatur. Ini. Sekarang ada. Oke, Pak, ini kami dulu. So, andito tayo sa Cafe Giang. Okay, famous coffee shop here in Hanoi, Vietnam. Parang sa history, parang sinasabi nila na sikat siya because of egg coffee. Kasi noon parang nawalan ng milk yung may-ari ng coffee shop or something like that. So ang ginamit niyang alternative is yung egg. So famous ngayon ang egg coffee in Hanoi. So as you can see, puntahan natin Cafe Giang. So, pumapasok na tayo dito sa famous coffee shop ng Cafe Giang. Order at your seat. I order at your seat. Pay later. Wow, bango. I can smell the coffee now. It smells good.
Each carry, we have each carry on bag baggage on backpack. Each we need to get a
Hello. For two.
2 people.
Thank you. You have outside?
Yeah.
Hirap po. So they have their famous egg coffee here. Cafe Trung. Para siyang bread na may mga fillings like meat, vegetables. So, one of the famous banh mi restaurants here in Hanoi is eto, Banh Mi Long Hoi. So, tara, pasok. Ayan. So, paano mag-order? Baka may mga ano na, ready na silang Banh Mi Happy. Ito yung menu. Yan, around 40,000, 50,000, 60,000. Yan yung pricing nila. We're here at Baksan Hoi An. Banh Mi Tai Long. I'm not really sure. Kasi we ordered itong famous banh mi nila and itong parang noodles. Famous noodle nila. So, try natin. First, itong noodles. Dry noodles. Sarap. Sarap yung pagkain nila dito. Parang lahat masarap. Also, banh mi. So we're now here. We now have our orders. This is the Big Pho. We have Vietnamese spring roll and stir-fried vegetable. So try natin isa-isa. Ayan, hello. So, we're here in one of the famous restaurants again here in Hanoi, and we ordered tingnan natin kung ano order. Bun Cha Ta, which is the full option, yung grilled pork plus traditional fried spring rolls, and Bun Cha Ta Nem Hai San, which is grilled pork and seafood fried spring rolls. So, parang mas masarap dito. Mas lasa yung ano, no? Mas malasa. So, ang style ng pagkain nito is lagyan siya ng rice noodles. And mga mga leaves, herbs. Cilantro, mint, may cabbage, ay ano? Ano to? Cabbage ba to? So, yan. Halu-haluin lang siya. Then we'll try. Ito naman yung black yogurt drink na order natin and spring roll. Mint, cilantro, at kung ano-ano pa. You put it all in your mangkok. Tapos may spring rolls, lagay din dito. Itong buncha is ito yung kinain daw, inihain kay President Obama nung bumisit siya dito. Kasi there are many reviews na sinasabing mas masarap ang buncha kaysa sa pho.
He's getting confused, like, which way is this going? Where we're going?
No sense. Yeah. I just turn around.
Dito talaga mahilig silang kumain ng mga herbs, mga greens na fresh.
Big American.
Yeah.
In camps. In Australia. Yes.
Hindi naluto.
The picture, I went outside.
So we're here at or in front of St. Joseph's Cathedral. Dito kami magko-coffee ngayon for breakfast. We have ordered egg coffee and parang latte nila and yung nakita lang namin dito sa tabi, si ate. Yeah. There. So she's making kakanin, so nag-order na kami. Yeah, that's St. Joseph Cathedral. Dito lang kami across the street. Nakaupo lang. Ganito yung mga yan. Ganyan yung coffee shop po dito, uso yung ganyan. After namin mag-coffee shop sa kabila, since malamig sa labas, 16 degrees ngayon malamig, we decided to have noodle soup. Naghanap kami ng beef pho, pero walang beef pho. Merong chicken pho, chicken noodle soup. So, eto siya. Ano lang siya din, sa harap lang din ng St. Joseph's Cathedral. So, yung St. Joseph, andyan lang siya. So, lagyan natin ng lime. Siguro, since marami silang binigay, ewan ko kung nilalagay lahat to, dagdagan natin. Ayan. Since gusto din natin ng medyo maanghang, lagyan natin ng konting-konting sili. Yan. Tapos, tingnan natin kung yung spoon, yan magkakaalaman yung ano niya, broth niya. Wow. Malasa. Wow. Perfect for this kind of weather. Yung malamig, tapos mayroon kang mainit na sabaw. Kain tayo. Okay? Ayan, so here is our last meal for today before heading to the airport. We ordered beef pho. And somewhere in a corner here at the old quarter. Ayan, so tingnan natin. Tingnan nyo yung kakainin namin. Is the beef pho. Ayan. So, kainin na natin.
Lalagyan ito pagbalik natin.
Yeah, I know.
Maglalagay ka ng ano?
Ng So nag-order kami ng beef pa na medium rare, yung beef niya. Oh my god, wow. Perfect. So good. The best talaga din ang Vietnam pagdating sa mga noodle soup. Lahat ng kinainan namin dito sa Hanoi, satisfied lahat kami. Wala kaming kinainan na hindi kami satisfied. Kumbaga may mga differences. Mga pho in one restaurant to another restaurant, may pagkakaiba ng lasa pero lahat masarap. Oh yeah, sorry. Thank you. Yeah. Ang pinaka-favorite ko dito na natikman ko sa Vietnam is ito pho. Pag bun siya. Bun siya, sarap yung bun siya. Yung bun siya, para siyang grilled pork na tinalo din sa ganito, noodle soup. Actually, bun siya. They say that they serve bun siya when President Obama came to visit Vietnam. This is the middle. Here is Jesus. Here is Frank. Inside. May kumalit ka na. Yeah. Actually? Wala. Kasi may kanya Done. Perfect.